No,
This is
come
what-
on, Fabric. No, please.
No, it's
Hello?
me.
Hello?
Hello, Talon.
Hello?
Chicken. Oh, you.
Okay, who's
Whoa.
who? Who is what? Who is what? It's been a while since we last played. Okay, you're Stripe,
This
you're
is
Demo.
me.
But
Anyway, I'm gonna ignore that.
just none of them
you're
matter.
Mia. you're Zach. You're Mia.
I'm here, yeah. No.
I can't see your name. Who are you?
What did I just hear? What did I
Oh,
just
corner
hear?
for fan.
My game bugged.
I know who you are. You're Jack.
My game bugged. I just heard the weirdest
Are we
thing.
gonna go?
Modes. I've never seen my feet before.
Real. I mean, like the two controls that there are.
I'm pressing F.
It's been a while.
Why am I pressing
What's up to
F?
the second one?
The bug! Oh no! What is going on?
He's gonna die. He's gonna die. No. He. Oh. Jesus Christ. No.
Alright.
Pressing.
Help me!
Go, but he thought I meant go back inside. I meant to the ship.
There are a lot of dead people in there.
Yeah, that's fun.
Because it plays throughout the entire. No!
Oh, and what's in there under?
Do you think you can get? Oh, wait. That is not good.
What is going on?
Their talking was so convincing though. Like there was, he said, "What's?"
Don't tell me out of all of that we only got a steering wheel.
We only got a steering wheel.
And it was from me, so everyone say they're proud of me. Come on.
We love you, Jack. That's Zach.
You didn't be loud.
No, you just trying to kiss me.
Stop it! You what? What is the?
Did you not hear that?
What is
The thumping.
What is?
Oh, it's the bird. Zach,
There's an egg
what are you
there.
doing?
Oh,
There's an
that's a new thing. That's a new thing.
There's an
It's a
egg.
new
There's
thing.
an egg. It laid an egg. It just laid an egg.
Someone get the egg. Kai, get the egg. Kai, get the egg.
Why me?
Zach's gonna die.
We gotta get the egg. We gotta. Yeah, hey, come down here. Get the egg. We need the egg. Where's
Where
the
is
egg?
it? Where's the egg? Oh my god!
I feel like there's something.
Yeah, good spider. Oh, it's coming back to me! Look out for landmine! Oh. Oh, I'm gone. Oh, uh-oh. No! Zach!
Yo!
Rotate so we can
Oh,
see
the egg
better.
is there. Oh, yeah. He's just. Oh.
Yo,
Why is it not attacking?
I don't know, the egg cracked open. No, the egg, you can see the egg on the ground, it's cracked open and there's a bird just
Oh.
screaming.
Yeah, the other one in its nest hatched as well. There was only
What
one.
if he grabs it?
unhatched
What if he
one.
grabs it?
He's gonna die if he grabs it.
Yeah, I don't think he saw that.
He's seen the bees though.
First time.
I think it's right next to us, guys.
Yeah, I'm sure it's fine.
I think it's right there.
Fine. Nah, it's good. It's good.
Yeah, it's all good. You guys have fun.
Oh my god, this guy. We have to fend for ourselves. Yeah.
Nice, right?
Oh! Oh no! Bring it up, 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 bring it up,
I think we keep the elevator up here, you know?
That's probably a good idea.
She's dead anyway. Oh no.
Well, you just had to ruin it, didn't you?
You and your ego.
You real? Yeah, real.
I am.
Is that a bird? It's a bird.
Yes, a bit.
Where's that snipe ran off to?
Kevin!
Oh, behind! Just the hunka bun in love.
So, guys.
Hey.
Where's Zach?
I think he's out there with 2 forest giants.
Oh, he's alive though!
If we can't see
Yeah.
it, it's fine.
Oh, he is being chased by the bird though.
Wait, I can.
Or is that Mania? No, it's
I think it could be the money.
No, that's a bird.
What is that? Bye, dude.
Wait, I think I saw the bird.
Alright, we're ready to go. Morgan and fries.
I'm gonna go jump off the first cliff I see.
I'm gonna look for. Would you shut up?
Let's go. No, but what are you doing?
Let's go. Oh.
Let's go!
Wow, who died? Who died? Norbert! No!
No, but no! Oh, let's go. You can still hear it.
Spider.
Hold up. Wow. Just that he might be dead.
toilet!
We gotta go check. We gotta go save him. We gotta go save.
Hey gang, what's
Hello.
going on?
I'm going in.
Get out the
Try's dead.
I am so good at this
He's
game.
alive!
Here.
Are you fucking kidding
I'm gonna
me?
sacrifice myself.
I don't think you needed to.
Oh, you guys are alive. It's still not alive.
Dylan, you alive? No, he's not.
And Zach also died in the first
Yeah,
one.
Zach died the first one. Snail. It's my snail.
Really? That's crazy.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Oh, what's it?
It was a bumper again. Here's Norman's body. Look at Norman's body.
Poor guy.
So yeah, you're dead.
Those are definitely mimics, right?
Yeah, that's a minute.
It sounds like him, to be fair. It's a pretty good one.
It does sound like him.
I would be like, I would be.
I'm gonna try main entrance. So it'll be fine. Really?
I have failed!
Are you landmine expert? You know if that's a landmine?
Hey kid. Hey kid.
I thought you were in the
What? Whoa.
Yeah, do you
You
guys
wanna
hear
see a
that?
cool trick?
Hey, do you guys hear that?
It's fine.
It's fine, it's fine. You wanna see a cool trick? You get out! Get out!
I'm recording.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll show you a cool trick.
He's putting it on.
Police!
You wanna see a cool trick?
Oh fuck.
Get out! Get out!
By put this
See? See? Guys.
how much would you pay me? to put
Gambling always pays. Who the? Oh.
How did you survive that?
Unfortunate.
How did
That's one.
moving so slow?
Yo!
What's that? What's that?
Means I gotta go gamble.
Storage.
Just take it out.
I got your house here.
Oh,
I got a house for you if you. No! Find the bird again?
Yeah, I
sure.
want to see the bird. I want to see the bird.
Alright, guys, shut up,
Let's go, let's go.
Guys, shut up. We need to make a plan of action. We need to make a plan of action for our bird hunting, okay? Everyone line up,
Yeah, we've got to get
We need a
one
plan
egg,
of-
one
Yeah,
egg.
everyone line up,
Yeah, I feel like.
Wait,
I-
no.
Wait, yeah,
need
it
to know
can't
what-
get us all. It can't get all of us.
Let's kill
Yeah,
the
yeah, if we all take an egg, one of us is
Okay,
going to
every-
die,
First
but.
we've got to find
Okay,
it.
I want to
Yeah,
do
find
planning.
it.
I want to do planning.
Lift up,
if we-
everyone's stuff and chat for it.
I wanted to
But
do
also
planning.
something-
If we just want to throw ourselves at it, that's okay as well. Let's be there. I see it. Target found.
Oh, he's down here.
Hi. So yeah,
Oh my god! What the fuck? He opened the door! Oh my god! Did you see that? Dude, that's insane!
Why did you let the door open?
It literally
No, I closed the door. He
it
smashed
broke the
it.
door.
Yeah, it literally opened it. Oh my.
Saw, dude.
it is Wednesday, my dudes.
Ow. I don't know if it's worth it. Oh, that's a mimic.
Yep.
Sorry.
We'll be safe. Come on.
Alright, I'll use
boring.
this fat.
Oh. Okay.
How dare you? How dare you?
What if you
He's gonna die when he tries to make the jump. It's
Stop.
chasing him.
Guys,
What?
can I take apparatus?
Wait.
Wait, which is which? Which is which?
What are you guys talking about?
There's a mimic!
Wait, I thought I was doing that! I thought that was Strike over there!
There's a
It wasn't!
There's
It
an... What?
There's a
yeah,
mimic.
it was a mimic of you!
Oh.
Straight.
What?
What is this? I'm 50% off TCP in Halen.
Hell yeah. Hey guys!
Oh, toilet.
I think I can tell what
What
happened.
was that?
Spider.
What? Oh, okay, I'm just gonna go to the ship. You think they're dead? Like...
Maybe.
This, you know this from TF2, you know this. Unusuals, I got so many unusuals in TF2.
Uh-huh.
Alright, I'll drop everything. I'll drop everything.
Gamble this for now. I'll gamble this.
Here's more gambling items.
That was a complete accident!
That's double kill?
That was a
Oh!
complete
What was that?
accident!
Unusual and stuff.
What did Mia die to?
She didn't die.
You okay?
You just whispering to the snail?
No? What? I wasn't doing what? What are you talking about?
Yeah,
I don't know what you're talking about.
It's
If
yeah.
you put on the wrong one, it will turn you into a mimic. It's yeah. For example. I just think that. You see what I'm seeing right now?
Yeah.
Yeah, let's go. It's time to go. It's under.
No, 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 no.
Sorry,
no, no,
sorry.
No, Ben Oreo.
What?
Help!
Oh, inside the ship! Get in! Get in! Get in! I'm inside the ship! Get in! Get in! Get in!
Alright, I'm ready.
Oh, but just
No, 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 no.
What is that? What is this corner?
I'm gonna get it! I'm gonna get
Don't
it!
hit me.
Get the mimic, get the mimic.
West?
I got to say bug, and so I ran away to the fire exit, and then I was like, oh, I have to be cautious.
Bracken!
Yeah, don't go back in, because
They do that.
Okay, so I need to go. I'm just killing the bird.
This bird has no idea what's about to happen to it. Don't you look at me like that.
Okay, you're... Okay, I think you're good to go.
Are you sure he's facing the wrong way?
Dude,
Where's
A
Mia?
bit more power. Push. Where
Oh,
is
that-
she?
She's over there.
I don't know. Whoa. Okay, you're good, you're good, you're good.
Come on.
Okay.
Okay, where's this rock? There's a rock in front of me.
It's
somewhere.
directly in front of you.
He's kind of so he's biting a
Okay.
tree right now. All right, well, what's I don't know what's that called
Where's
again.
Ness? There it is.
He's pecking.
It's in the middle there. Are you going for it?
Ooh, he might be.
He's there,
Are you ready?
Yep.
Come closer, come closer.
but it's not full speed.
Oh no!
Get it! Get it! Get it!
The car's not hitting it! No! Guys! Why me? No!
Car!
No!
Drive the car into it! Oh my!
Oh no, he's dead!
Okay.
Oh, God, no!
Why is no one else attacking it?
Dude, chill! I did nothing!
This bird is so
Dude!
big!
Oh my god,
What is
this
man
ooh, I
doing?
don't have a
Why?
we're females, you know, we're both females. We all have eggs, you know, it's normal. I respect that. Okay? I get it, bro. All I have is an egg pizza. I'm not gonna hurt you, I promise.
I can't see anything. She's fucking.
What are you?
She is so getting the neck snapped.
Oh my god, the man is...
Oh, shit!